We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2019 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special in Vivid Black. We have dual disc brakes in the front with ABS, engine guards, rider floorboards, and a passenger peg. This comes with the 114 cubic inch engine. Has locking saddlebags and a beautiful Saddleman seat by San Diego Customs. Nice gold stitching. It's extremely comfortable as well. We also have a smoked out windshield. Extremely well taken care of bike. And the miles on this bike are extremely low. We are at 7,448. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week. Come check this one out. It's not going to be here for a long time.